Hi, welcome to MAC. I'm Hayden. I'm the McDonald Hall Ambassador. To start the tour about McDonald Hall, here's the front desk. The front desk is manned 24/7 by RAs and desk clerks. The desk is a great place to come if you want to check out vacuums, pots and pans for the kitchen, movies, game boards. If you lock yourself out of your room, come down here, just fill out a piece of paper, they'll give you a key to go check back into your room, get your keys, and you bring it back. It's a great place if you want to come talk to anybody. I know I've spent a few nights here talking to some people. If you look over the edge here, we have our social lounge for here in MAC. They got some ping pong table down here. They have a pool table. It's a great place to watch some TV if you ever want to hang out with your friends. Right over here is our mailbox. This is where you come and get your small letters. If you have anything bigger than the mailbox slot, you can pick it up at the union. To get your code, you just check it at the front desk. They'll give you your 3-digit code. It's pretty simple, but it takes some time to get used to it. And on this side over here, we have our MAC kitchen. I like to come wash my dishes here. It's a great place to hang out if your friends are making some food. And then back farther this way, we have one of our many social areas. This is another great place to hang out with your friends, get some homework done. I know my friends come down here. They even use the conference room if they want to get anything done. This is one of our many social areas for McDonald Hall. McDonald Hall uses these little black keys. They're called personal entry devices or PEDs. Say you get into this area and your friends are wanting to come up but they don't have a key or a PED for this building. They have to have one of these, and it's pretty simply just scan it over these little black boxes and you can push one of these buttons. Right in here is the McDonald Hall computer lab. The computer lab's open for any student in MAC. It's a great place to come get homework done, or say your laptop died and you want to get homework done and you don't have time to spare. Also, we do have printing in here. Printing is open for any student that lives in MAC and across campus. There's just a small fee that you have to pay for black and white and color. Right outside and across the courtyard is the Oaks. The Oaks is one of the biggest dining facilities on campus. There you use your swipes, and the Union is just a few more steps across the block, and that's where you can get things like Chicken Dippity or Panda Express, and you use your Falcon dollars there. I love how close MAC is to all the different dining facilities. MAC is home to 7 different learning communities. We have Aviation, Air Force ROTC, Army ROTC, EDHD, ECCO, the Search Community, and Construction Management. So say you're going into any of those fields and you want to be in a learning community, this is probably one of the best buildings you can live in, because you'll be around those students that are in that same major. All right, so this is one of the laundry rooms at McDonald Hall. We have one on every floor. It's one of the biggest. So say you want a bigger laundry room, I'd say move up on the floors. The laundry is free for every student that lives here. Bowling Green offers this great app. If you say you're doing your laundry and you don't have the time to keep coming back and forth and checking, we do have our app where you can look up to see how much time you have left on your laundry load. Alright, so these are 2 of my friends. This is Danielle and this is Taylor. This is their room. It's a different setup than a lot of the other rooms. If you guys want to talk about the different styles that you guys had and how you came to this setup that you guys picked.
Alright, so we both really like the same colors, so it was pretty easy to match all of the things we have in here. And we have a lot of signs in here that we all made, and we're just really artsy people, actually.
We both kind of came from the same area, so we have some of the same interests and stuff. So as you can see, we like pictures, and that's one thing. When I first came to BG, my room was very bare and I didn't have anything up. But to make it feel like home, you kind of personalize your room to however you want.
Well, thank you guys.
Yeah, no problem.
And in here we have one of the many floor lounges in MAC. Every floor has one. It's a great place to hang out with your friends. There's a TV, there's multiple places to do homework. I know me and my friends have come in here and watched movies, played games, played cards. It's just a great place to hang if you're not doing anything on a Friday or a Saturday night. Thanks for coming along for the tour of McDonald Hall. If you want to learn more information about MAC, you can visit our website at bgsu.edu/reslife.